Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday on a Thursday. Anyway, I got this wig. I've had it a while now, I just haven't reviewed it. It's from the LuxLuxe company, and the name of this particular unit is called EDWINA. Of course, I got it from Amazon, and it's a half wig. So I'm gonna wear it just like a headband wig with my own headband. I prefer this type of half wig. I don't like the headbands attached to them. So this is what she looks like, and it's 17 inches long. It's synthetic, and it's full of curls. Let me show you the stats of this wig. Regular wig cap construction with the weft sewn on. Comb in the back with the tag. It has two adjustable straps. It has a comb at each temple, and there's no comb right here. I prefer a comb right here, but this will work. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on, and it's very, very lightweight. This is pretty. And my hair is so thin, I could never get it to look like this. I'll show you this picture. That's what she looks like. Okay, and it was 20 something. How much was it? $22.83. Color number 44. It matches me very well. Put on a wig grip, even with the half wig. I'm putting it right here. Oh, I got my own hair just braided, straight back and tucked under. Okay, and I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna attach these combs. Push it back. Oh no, that hurts. Okay, I'm gonna push this back some. Okay, now, let's see. I might not attach the combs. They're gonna hurt, like they're digging into my head, and I can't. I'm trying to push them back. Okay, there you go. Still trying to push it back, because I want my edges to show. That's the purpose of a half wig. I'm not going to comb my hair out and lay it over this. Now pull this wig down. Tuck this back comb up under my tucked under braid. Still pushing it back. And it has a thin weft right here, so you can comb some hair over it if you like. Oh, this is cute. I always put my headband on ahead of time. Get my ear out of here. I like the headbands with the knot right here. I want to see the knot. Gives me like a turban vibe. and just left, so I was able to put on some makeup and do this video. I don't wear makeup when the baby is here, because I know I'm going to want to pick him up and kiss him and hug him, and I don't want to get makeup all on the baby. I'm going to be breaking him out. So a lot of times after he leaves, I don't feel like filming. Just like when I go grocery shopping, I don't feel like coming home cooking. That's just me. Let me pull this down some more. This is big head friendly, but it's a half wig, so look at that. That color, different shades of silver and gray. Wish that more of my hair showed, but well, my edges are thin, so. And it's not from gluing wigs on, because I don't play that. So I'm just finger combing this, nice and full, bouncy, cute. Like I said, 17 inches long. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. I like it. This is a keeper. I like it a lot. And it's a half wig. But I wear my own headband with. Okay, I'm going to turn around. So this is how it looks in the front. Just like the picture. Make that big. Looks like the picture. Good color. I'm going to turn to the, what's this, the left side. I'm going to turn to the back. That's how long it is. And turn to the other side. I keep saying I'm gonna bring my swivel chair in here, but I haven't done it in all this time. I think it's gorgeous, y'all. So it's an off-brand wig from Amazon. LuxLuxe, LuxLuxe. And this particular wig is called EDWINA. So it's synthetic fibers. So it'll last a while if you take care of it. And I have so many wigs. My wigs, they don't mess up because I got so many to change in. I don't wear them to death. So, that's my review of the very curly EDWINA wig in gray. But it looks more silver. Thumbnail. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. I'm going to do these nails and I'm going to show you how I do it with press-ons and the nail sticker tabs. Okay, bye.